In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to ByBit. So first of all, open your ByBit app and make sure that you are on a verified account. And if you aren't started yet on ByBit, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a nice welcome bonus like free crypto. So anyway, let's dive into the video. And from our home tab, we're going to click on Assets at the bottom right. And in here, we're going to click on Deposit. Right now, select Deposit Crypto at the bottom. And in here, select the crypto that you want to transfer to ByBit, and that is USDT. So let's click on the search bar and type in USDT and click on Tether USDT. So in here, we need to select the network, and please make sure that you select the same network in here as you will be selecting on Trust Wallet. So we're going with Ethereum, so let's click Ethereum in here. And as you can see, we have our wallet address in here, and we're already going to copy this to our clipboard. And right now we are going to our Trust Wallet. So from your Trust Wallet, go ahead and click on Send. And here select USDT. And right now paste in the wallet address from ByBit. So in here we need to enter the amount that we want to transfer. And I'm going with max. And after you have this done, go ahead and click on Next, and then you will be able to confirm. But please be sure that you have enough Ethereum in your account on your Trust Wallet to pay for the network fee. And you will pay this network fee in the network that you are having your USDT on. So in my case, that is Ethereum. So I need to be sure that I have enough Ethereum in my account to pay for this transfer. And this can be quite high. This can be around €2 or equivalent to $2 per transfer. So please be sure that you have this in your account. And if you have this, go ahead and click on confirm, and then you are all set. So that is how you transfer your USDT from Trust Wallet to ByBit. It will take some time in order to pop up in ByBit, but this is the way to go. As I already said, make sure that the networks are correct and that they match between Trust Wallet and ByBit, and then everything will be all right. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.